Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to add friends on Monopoly Go with user ID. So let's start. It's very easy. Just let's go down to the right side and there you will find the icon friends. Now just click there. You can invite friends from your contacts, but also you can copy the link for your adding friends. So just copy the link and then you can share on different social networks. For example, you can share on Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, and so on. So you can select this one if you want to. Also, you can add by contacts, by phone number, by Facebook, or invite them. As you can see, you can invite to your friends also with social networks. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. And well, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.